Now I'm going to show you just how easy it is to customize your 9704 Launchpad and add a new sensor to it. With just a few software changes and updates in Blink, you can send your new sensor data to your Blink dashboard. Let's get started. Some of the great features of the 9704 Launchpad are the expansion headers. These expansion headers interoperate with products built with Arduino Shield, Adafruit Featherwing, SparkFun Quick Connect, Adafruit Stemma QT, and Arduino I2C interfaces. These expansion headers make it quick and easy to add compatible sensors, relays, displays, and more to your Launchpad without even needing a soldering iron. Here's the Arduino Maker Environment Shield. It can read the temperature, humidity, light intensity, and atmospheric pressure. You can easily mount the shield on the 9704 Launchpad expansion header just like so. With our sensor on our 9704 Launchpad, we can now update our Blink dashboard to have a new data stream for our sensor. Once we've created our data stream, we can add a new widget to our dashboard to display our sensor data. So first, log into your Blink account and open up your dashboard. Select Edit and open up the Data Streams tab. Here, you can find all the existing 9704 Launchpad data streams. Go ahead and select New Data Stream and Virtual Pin. On this screen, we can define what kind of data we will be sending to our dashboard. Today, we will be sending humidity data to our dashboard. So let's set the name to humidity, set the pin number to any number that isn't being used. I'll choose V13. Set the data type to double, set the units to percentage, since we'll be sending percent relative humidity. Then set the max to 100. And lastly, toggle to enable history data and sync with latest server value every time the device connects to the cloud. Click Create and then Save and Apply. You now have a new data stream for your humidity sensor data. Next, navigate back to the Web Dashboard tab and select Edit. Let's create a widget to display our humidity data on a graph. Go ahead and duplicate the battery voltage history widget. Select Edit and update the title to say Humidity History. Modify the existing data stream to be our newly created humidity data stream. Click Save and then Save and Apply. Our dashboard now has a new widget for our humidity sensor data. With our Blink dashboard updated, all that's left to do is update our dashboard sketch in the Arduino IDE to read and send our sensor data to our dashboard. First, navigate back to the Arduino IDE. We need to install the Arduino library for our Arduino Maker Environment Shield. So open the Library Manager, search for Arduino Maker Environment, and install the library. This library provides us with everything we need to read our sensor data. Once you've installed the library, open up your dashboard sketch. All of the example sketches in the 9704 Developer Kit are meant to be expanded and customized, so let's do that. At the top of the page, add the following line to include our Maker Environment library to use our sensor. Now, we can use all the functions provided in the Maker Environment library. Next, initialize the sensor by adding this line to our setup function. To read the humidity using our sensor, let's add 2 more lines of code. Add a humidity variable to our dashboard data, then navigate to the dashboard update function and add this line to read the humidity. We now have the sensor data. The last step is to add this data to the dashboard message we are sending to Blink. Add the humidity data stream to the end of message template. V13 is the PIN number we assigned when we created our data stream in Blink. Next, add the humidity data to our dashboard message. Finally, to make it easier for us to know what our humidity data is before we send the message to our dashboard, let's add a serial print statement for the humidity. And just like that, our code has been updated, and we're ready to send our new sensor data to our Blink dashboard. Go ahead and upload your new dashboard sketch to your 9704 Launchpad and wait for the message to be sent. If you look at the serial monitor, you'll see that your sensor data has been collected. And here's our humidity data. In a matter of minutes, we were able to mount a new sensor onto our 9704 Launchpad, update our Blink dashboard and dashboard sketch, and display the new sensor data on our dashboard. Interested in learning more? Check out our Getting Started guide and explore the full capabilities of the 9704 Launchpad. With our developer kit, you're not just building projects, you're creating solutions with truly global reach. So, what do you want to create?